It's Rebecca with DTI Academy. In a separate video, I highlighted the difference between user-defined and custom fields in Hexagon EAM. Today, I want to take a moment to share how to make a custom field required for certain statuses. This feature is available for work orders and nonconformities. On my work order screen, I have a custom field labeled Updates Required. Technicians have been instructed to provide feedback if any updates need to be made to the equipment record. For example, a mechanic was referring to the parts associated and noticed the list was inaccurate, which caused delays in procuring materials. In another example, an electrician recommended increasing the frequency of a PM due to usage. While users have been instructed to provide this feedback, it often gets overlooked. Our solution is to make the custom field required when the status of the work order is changed to ready for review, which is often referred to as work complete. Before I show you how to set up the status requirement, hit that subscribe button to be alerted when new content is released. Let's head over to the Associate Custom Field screen. This screen is available from the Administration menu under Custom Fields. I need to update the association details for the Updates Required field on the work order screen. So the entity is EVNT, and the custom field is displayed for all classes. Once the association is selected, you'll need to click Actions, then Status Requirement Settings. At the top of the pop-up window, you'll notice some useful information, which I encourage you to review. But all you need to do is add the status detail. So in this case, I'll be selecting Ready for Review. Go ahead and submit that, and then click Close. Now that the status requirement has been added, let's see it in action. So I'm going to return to my work order. I've just completed this work order, so I need to change the status to ready for review so my supervisor can review and close the work order. So I'm going to go ahead and try to save. And at that point in time, because we've defined the status requirement, the updates required field is now required. So I must enter in a value in order to proceed. So once I've captured the information, I can then proceed with updating the work order. Share in the comments below if you've identified any use cases for adding a status requirement to a custom field. Thanks again.